What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. You guys really enjoyed the thermostat change on my Forester here. So you guys liked that it was really quick, short, and easy. I'm going to create another one here for my STI. I have a thermostat that's staying stuck open. So let's get to it because I want to make this nice and short. Okay, first you're going to want to jack it up. I have it on wood blocks here. It is too stiff a suspension to get it jacked up. Every time I jack it up, one side goes over. But however you may do it, let's do it this way. First things first is we're going to want to drain the coolant. I'm going to go to the bottom hose there and just drain it out that way. However is easiest for you, let's do it. You guys are going to want something to drain the coolant in. I do have a drain bucket here, but it's full of oil. I have nowhere to put the oil, so I'm going to use just a little ice cream container. The hose clamp I'm going for is that guy right there. Okay, as it finishes draining, sorry for the noise, but there are two bolts that we need to get on the front of the housing here. I don't know how well I can get Can you kind of see where the camera is? Or the flashlight is? I'll stop the video right here and circle it. There's going to be one there, and then there's going to be one on the top as well. I want to take those out. It's just two bolts. I believe they're 10 mils. I'll just double check for you. Okay, so it's actually easier to access the bolts from the top. Take the one fan out, disconnect the upper hose. You're going to have no coolant in there anyways. I'm currently getting the last bolt out right now. Thermostat housing. Other bolts right there. Your thermostat is going to be right here. Cooper. Looks way better. Now this one, what you want to do, you want to see that little wiggle valve on the top? You have to make sure this is facing upwards. It's got to be at the 12 o'clock position. If you don't do that, you're going to have issues. Make sure it's at the 12 o'clock position. All we're going to do, put it back in 12 o'clock position, put the housing on. Make sure you don't bolt the housing on too tight or you're going to break a bolt. Put it on, put the hoses back on, you're all done. Once you have everything back together, fill the radiator up. We're going to burp the system, get the car running, burp the system, take out any air, wait for the thermostat to open up, and then you have a thermostat change.